Okay, so now that we have our puppets on, let's practice belly breathing again. We did that once, right? So when we breathe, we're gonna pull back, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, and let it out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one more time, all together. Ready? How do you feel now, puppet? Oh, I'm so relaxed. Okay. Now, Janelle, what's another strategy that we can do with our puppets?
We can bring a high five.
Bring a high five. That's a really good point, Noah. If our puppet doesn't have arms, how do we bring a high five? Well, it can be anything. Yeah, you have an idea?
Bump their back.
Oh, bump their backs are good. Do you want to try that with me? All right, bring a high five. Boom. Oh, that was good. All right, what's another way we could do it? Go ahead.
Elbow bump. Push the claws away.
Okay, let's do that next. We just want one more high five. Noah, what's your high five idea?
To dance.
To dance, okay. Bring a high five. Ready? Let's all do it together and we can dance toward the middle. So this is our new high five. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! That's our high five. That's our celebration of doing a good job. Okay, time to move to our next strategy. Now, can you tell us again what strategy you wanted to do?
We break these hoses.
Oh, you want to change it up to shake out the yuck. That's cool. Okay, that's pretty good. So it makes sense that we can shake our puppets. But what did we say before, remember?
Not hurt.
Don't hurt your friends, don't hurt your puppets. You don't want the puppets' pieces to fall off. So you can shake like this, and it's safe.
Like this?
Yeah, so talk to your puppet. Dear puppet, what's really frustrating you today? And your puppet will say, oh, too much fabric softener. You'll say, oh, me too. Let's shake it out. And then we'll shake it all together. Too much fabric softener. Yeah? What else? What's really frustrating we can shake out the yuck about?
Hitting people.
Oh, yeah. If somebody is hitting somebody, that's really frustrating for everyone else, right? That's a problem. So if somebody's hitting and you obviously don't want to hit anyone back, you can shake out the yuck and deal with that feeling, right? So my puppet said, oh, my friend pushed somebody and I was really upset about it and I was really frustrated. And you can say, okay, well, let's shake it up. Think about it. And we got out the bad feeling. All right, and you said push the clouds before, right? So can we all together? This is really good. So we're pushing, right? So we feel these bad feelings. There's this really, really yucky cloud of sadness, and we want to push it away, and we just push it with our puppet. We go, ooh, right up into the sky. Ready? Everybody together. 1, 2, 3. Push the clouds. What do you think?
Good.
What else do you want to try?
Belly breathing.
Okay, Noah, why don't you lead us in belly breathing this time? Ready? And good. Excellent. Noah was counting for us on his fingers. That's how I knew what he was doing. One more time. Belly breathe. Big in. Hold it. And out. All right, let's see some more high fives. We can get really creative with that, can't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so remember what we said about the hitting. So make sure that both puppets know that it's happening, okay? So if we are gonna do like a little bump, we look at each other and we say, okay, ready? Boom, bump, 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 boop, bump. Yeah? So control and be careful. Yes.
Head bump.
Oh, a head bump, yes, without damaging my feathers. So again, this is going to be a really gentle head bump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boop. And then it makes the coconut noise. You know what I'm talking about? No, never mind. Yes.
Elbow bump.
Elbow bump. So the puppet elbow is down. See, you guys have much shorter arms than me, but we'll use our human elbows. Ready? And boom. Great. These are all such great high fives. And you know what my favorite part is? They all work really well. When would you want to give a high five to somebody, friends?
When you're happy.
When you're happy. Okay. So when you're happy, you want to give somebody a high five. What about if they just made a really cool puppet in a workshop? Would you want to give somebody a high five then?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Job well done. Yeah, it means great job. Good job, us. Let's high five. Let's do the elbow. I really like the elbow. 1, 2, 3. Boop. Cool.